Welcome to the product demo of the Logipix Turnaround Management module. The following screen capture video provides a short prologue into this product and outlines what it is about. Logipix Airside Augmented Reality solution, the LARS, has been created to enhance airside security and overall airport efficiency, reducing the number of costly delays. Airplanes may lose valuable time, mostly during inefficient turnarounds. In order to make these processes more predictable and more effective, airports can deploy the Logipix Turnaround Management, which is a specialized module in LARS. The Logipix Turnaround Management module is an intelligent video-based system that assists ground handling process registration, and it also creates useful statistics which help better organize tasks around airplanes. The Turnaround Management module is available in two versions. The first one basically requires full manual operator activity. The second one is an advanced version, wherein automatic video content analysis assists the registration of some operations. The Logipix VCA can detect the presence and classify different objects. It can accurately track the motion of airplanes and various ground equipments. Depending on the applied resolution and chosen point of view, the algorithms can detect even complex processes. Let's have a brief overview on the system architecture. In our solution, we provide the high-resolution cameras that monitor each stand at the apron. The structure and the number of the cameras are always tailored to stands individually. Ideally, 3 cameras monitor an airplane from 3 different angles. We provide the video recorder system and the server applications. Turnaround management includes the specialized video management module that is responsible to visualize all the information on a single platform. Logipix provides all the critical components of this high-end monitoring system. We develop and manufacture all the main components to our solution, including the high-resolution cameras, network video recorders, software and embedded computer vision algorithms. Now let's see a brief outline of the module's services. Operators and supervisors can overview all aircraft stands on the apron and monitor the progress of the daily turnaround processes. They can choose a single stand to watch and register each turnaround and save detailed reports about the whole process. Valuable statistics can be created based on the registered operations, which help to improve the efficiency of turnarounds. In the turnaround history, previously saved reports can be reviewed with automatically saved reference images. Now let's dig a little deeper into the module's apron overview interface. This form provides a summary on all aircraft stands in the monitored apron. Each part of this form displays real-time data. The visualized stands and turnaround processes are all color indicated in order to provide clear, instant feedback of their statuses. At top of the screen, operators can see live thumbnail video streams of all relevant stands. They can filter for their own stands that have been previously assigned to them. Above, a status report summary can be seen. Below on the left, an interactive map displays aircraft movements and stand statuses. Operators can zoom in and pan on the map in order to find and enlarge areas of interest. Hovering on a stand, a label pops up with basic information, showing airplane allocation or current turnaround status. In case any delay or change occurs in the daily plan, supervisors can instantly understand the situation and they can provide information to airport operation and ground handling agents. This way they can easily reschedule the aircraft stand allocation. In case the Logipix system receives transponder information or apron monitoring is supported by the Logipix VCA, the map can display the real-time position of airplanes on the apron. Clicking on airplane icons, the software displays labels which informs about airplanes' IDs and allocated stands. Beside the interactive map, the stand schedule appears. Each stand has its own timeline that shows the color-coded timeframes according to the imported schedule data. In case a turnaround lasts too long, the system automatically displays warning or alerts for the operator. Operators can select a turnaround on any stand on the overview interface to monitor and register the progress of the turnaround processes in details. They can follow and manage the turnaround for a single stand at the apron, from the parking till the pushback. After selecting an individual turnaround, the registration form appears, where operators can check whether turnaround tasks are proceeding within the scheduled operational parameters. They can register the processes in order to create detailed turnaround report. Operators have constant high-resolution visual feedback on what is happening around the airplane. They receive details on the airplane itself in text format, and also they've got an estimated turnaround time based on the predefined process length. The schedule is filled automatically with the optimal timeframes according to an imported list that contains the ordered services. In case of manual operation, operators start and stop every services at the moment when they see them in the high-resolution video stream. The length of the timeframes in the schedule changes according to operator actions. These service timeframes are color-coded in relation to their statuses. The current progress of each services and the turnaround status percentage is displayed on the right. Whenever operator starts or ends the registration of a service, the module automatically saves reference images, but they can save extra images anytime. Operators also have the opportunity to register or the ended services using the archive mode. They can rewind or fast forward the whole process, search within the timeline and register services within minutes. This feature allows operators to manage several turnarounds and stands simultaneously. Using the turnaround history form, operators can search within the registered turnarounds and recall them whenever necessary. The interface that operators see is similar to the turnaround registration form in archive mode, except it has an extra search bar for browsing the registered turnarounds. The displayed schedule facilitates the search process. This way, operators can find the saved reference images within seconds. They can use this for any type of evidence search. Variable turnaround statistics can be created from the registered data. This function allows to analyze turnaround times and every services in details. Automatic calculations can be made to identify critical paths and processes to improve turnaround times. These can be performed separately for every type of aircrafts and flights serviced on the airport. The performance of different ground handling agents can also be measured. In summary, the turnaround management module had been created to improve turnaround management at airplane stands. The system provides high-resolution video coverage of all stands at the apron. Operators can monitor and register the status and progress of multiple turnarounds simultaneously using a designated user interface. The system visualizes stand allocation and service schedules on interactive maps and timelines. Operators can easily register services real-time, or they can postpone and perform the whole turnaround registration later within minutes using the archive mode. This allows them to handle several stands concurrently. All recorded data can be summarized and prepared for post-analyzing. This function helps optimize turnaround processes, which eventually avoids queuing and reduces the number of delays on the apron. The high-resolution footage also helps the investigation of any negligence or incident. Besides the turnaround management, Lars provides loads of other intelligent functions that can make your airside more efficient. This compilation gives you a slight insight into the airside monitoring functions. Lars monitors airside areas by 200 and 320 megapixel panoramic cameras, therefore it is able to provide a high-resolution visual representation of the entire airside. The solution applies video content analysis to better understand what is happening in these high-resolution video streams and eventually on the airside. It accurately detects, classifies and tracks thousands of objects at the same time. Lars automatically registers landings and takeoffs and calculates exact times that the aircraft spends on the airport. It can virtually apply rules to designated areas in order to automatically detect certain irregularities, like access rule violations or speed limit violations. It can also detect FOD on the runways, taxiways and also on the apron, apply a virtual fence around the FOD and manage the full collection process. The solution can detect proximity situations and alerts operators who can take the necessary measures to avoid collisions. Lars is created by Logipix, a trusted privately held company that is established 25 years ago in Budapest, Hungary. Since then, Logipix has grown into an international company with representations in Dubai, Moscow, New Delhi, Turkey and the US. We are an innovative technological company, developing and manufacturing intelligent video monitoring solutions specifically for large-scale projects and wide areas. Thank you for your attention. For further information, visit our website or feel free to contact us.